you want professional grade durability for your DIY paint jobs without a spray gun, check out the LiME Double Shot 2K Clearcoat. This is a game-changing aerosol with a 2K chemical resistance, UV protection, and creates a rock-hard finish. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it like a pro. Let's get started. Most spray cans that you buy over the counter at your hardware store are 1K. They're air dry. They lack long-term durability. 2K has a hardener, a part B, that chemically cures for superior scratch and chemical resistance. This makes it perfect for cars, trucks, and motorcycles. It survives fuel spills, UV rays, and the abuse of rock chips and other road debris. LiME Double Shot Clearcoat contains two separate chambers inside of the can that are easy to activate. First, remove the ring from the retainer on the bottom of the can. Next, locate the lug and thread the ring into it. Pull the ring down and twist 360 degrees. This will release the hardener and activate your can. Shake for 2 minutes to make sure that both components are mixed together. Once activated, it needs to be used before 24 hours or it's going to dry into the can. LiME Double Shot Clearcoat comes equipped with an adjustable fan nozzle. This allows you to adjust the shape of your spray pattern to what you are spraying. For a helmet, I'll probably just keep it right in the middle. 2K chemicals are no joke, so make sure you use them in a well-ventilated area with a respirator, gloves, and eye protection. I have this custom painted helmet project that I have already cleaned, sanded, and sprayed down with a gold metal flake using LiME. You can see that the metal flake leaves a textured surface behind because of the nature of the coarse flake. The Clearcoat will help smooth out the texture and provide durability. When spraying, you should stay about 8 to 10 inches away from the surface. Too close will cause runs, and too far away will cause a light, dusty finish. Shoot for a 50% overlap with your spray pattern with a side-to-side motion. It's recommended that you spray 3 to 4 wet coats with a 5 to 10 minute wait window in between. Once the clear is applied, it can be handled after 24 hours. You can sand it down for more graphics, or it can be polished out to a finished product. And that's it. Be sure to check out this product and many others from LiME. Thanks for watching.